Anti-human nature, a reactionary slogan or a civilized act. 白雪峰. For a long time, mainstream society has treated all theories or actions that go against human nature with suppression and condemnation, as if anyone who is anti-human nature is committing the gravest of sins and deserves to be destroyed. On the other hand, whoever understands human nature and conforms to human nature is praised as a great master, a model for humanity, a moral benchmark worthy of being treated like a national treasure. But whether one opposes human nature or conforms to it, what is human nature truly? I do not know exactly, for human nature is difficult to understand. Yet the following phenomena undeniably express what we call human nature: jealousy, selfishness, greed, quarrels, aggression, warfare, competition, bribery, and corruption, desire to possess, to own, to dominate, anger, deceit, indifference, moodiness, theft, robbery, murder, cannibalism in times of famine, even of one's own children, love of gambling, blaming and condemning others, mockery, sarcasm, derision, the urge to judge and define others, the thirst for power and status, vanity, the cruelty of killing animals, and the pollution of rivers, seas, land, and sky. Of course, human nature also has bright and virtuous sides, but we cannot deny or overlook the dark aspects of human nature simply because it has some goodness, can we? Now, let us observe and analyze. Where do human worries, pain, anxiety, sorrow, and fear come from? The answer is clear. Over 90% of them arise from human nature itself. And when we look at most of the great disasters that have harmed humanity and nature, such as wars, are they not products of human nature? So I ask again, is opposing human nature a reactionary act? The answer is no. Opposing human nature is an act of civilization. If humanity wishes to live a happy paradise-like life, it must transcend and oppose the destructive aspects of human nature. Otherwise, the tragedies of human history will repeat endlessly until the earth and nature are scarred beyond repair and ultimately destroyed together with humankind. October 30, 2025.